If you want to remove a sound or song from a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the quickest way to separate the audio from your video and delete it completely, so you can keep just the visuals. This is perfect if your clip has background music, unwanted noise, or any sound you simply don't want in the final edit. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once CapCut is open, make sure the video you want to edit is loaded into your project. If it isn't there yet, import the clip and add it to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This step is important because you need the video clip placed on the timeline before you can separate the audio from it. Now that your video is on the timeline, right-click directly on the video clip. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Extract Audio. Click that option, and CapCut will split the audio from the video and place it as a separate audio track underneath the clip. This is the key step because once the audio is extracted, you can edit or remove it without affecting the video itself. Next, click on the extracted audio track to select it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes highlighted. Then simply press Delete on your keyboard or use the Delete option if you prefer. This will remove the sound completely from the video project, leaving you with a silent video. If you only wanted to remove a song or background music, this is the fastest method to do it in CapCut PC. It's also useful if you want to replace the original audio with a new voiceover, sound effect or music track later on. After deleting the audio, play back your timeline to make sure the video is now silent and everything looks correct. If needed, you can always add new audio on top afterward. And that's it. You've successfully removed the sound or song from a video in CapCut. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.